part, I'm just gonna add the drums to it. The hell, I'm gonna add the drums. So the first thing I'm probably gonna start off with is a hi-hat. The first thing I want to do, first of all, is add all this to the mixer channel. Give it a space. All right, so I'm gonna change the velocity, give it a bounce. I'll probably also add growth speed to give it a like a trippy kind of bounce type feel. I don't know. Just it sounds different, which gives it a different kind of flavor. Flavor. All right. So let's go ahead and lay this in and see what that sounds like. Gives it a different kind of feel that I like. All right, so because I do my hi-hats different from my snares, and I do my snares and hi-hats different from my kick, I'm gonna put it on a different pattern. All right, so put the clap 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. We're gonna simply copy, and then snap. Go ahead and throw this in. Bouncy snare, like the snare is just here to give it some kind of bounce, give a different kind of bounce to it. So let's see what we want these. I know I want copy and make it pretty much the same, and at the end all I'm gonna do is gonna add another snare. So I'm gonna go to the next layer. I'm gonna throw in the kick. What I like to do is I like to come over here and detect pitch regions, D sharp. So I'm gonna change that to D sharp right there. What I like to do, since I'm in the F minor, and I mean it just depends on, like, just so I'm making sure that the kick is in the key of the song, because that makes a difference. Maybe a subtle difference, but it still makes a difference, and I can hear the difference, and I always like how it sounds being in the key of the song. So since this song is in the key of F, I'm gonna take my kick up to the key of F. And what I like to do is I like to come inside the piano roll and go to it. So I also like to turn my volume up so I can hear it. Then I'll lower it afterwards. All right, so we got this. Let's go back into the piano roll. All right, let's make something happen. Now in my head, I have an idea of what I want it to sound like. So this process takes me a little time sometimes. All right, I'm dropping shit. Second part of it, we're just gonna do this basically the same thing. All right, so we're basically gonna do the same thing for the second part and just add some more kicks in it. So